Let's see what we and Meesho से है काफी फूला हुआ है. So let's see 16 के 16 pieces है कि नहीं, but looks good like a set proper. मतलब some people like to get like some people like to get bigger sets, some people like to get smaller sets. So उसके हिसाब से. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Exactly 16. कुडोस टू यू. लेकिन बहुत सारे सेट्स में मेरे साथ हुआ है कि मेरे को एक बोल के 5-6 बोल के 5 दे दिए टाइप्स वैसा. तो इतने सारे सेट्स है. आई जस्ट जूम इट इन लिटिल बिट. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस एक्सक्लूसिव टू आवर चैनल इंडिया में पहली बार. सो आई थिंक एक का क्वालिटी देखूँ थोड़ा सा डस्टी है. आई थिंक इट्स 3D प्रिंटेड क्योंकि हैंड पेंटेड भी थोड़ा सा है प्रॉब्लम्स. थोड़ा सा लेग्स वगैरह में भी इट्स नॉट वेरी क्लियर, बट इट्स अ 16 सेट्स. तो मतलब उसके हिसाब से इट्स ओके, बट द पेंटिंग कुड बिन बेटर. मतलब एजेस क्लियर नहीं है, चीज़ें कंप्लीट नहीं हो रही है. सो दैट्स वन प्रॉब्लम. लेट्स सी केविन. दिस इज ड्रैकुला केविन आई थिंक. और यहाँ पे भी एक होल है. तो ये अंदर ही नहीं जा रहा. सो दिस लाइक अ ड्रैकुला केविन. दिस लुक्स नाइस. लाइक इस पे 4 लिखा हुआ है. सो दिस इज 2. दिस इज अगेन केविन. इसका थोड़ा सा टेक्सचर वगैरह कुड बी बेटर. like really better. Let me just show you. Like this could have been much better. So this is the third. So this is like a pirate kind of a thing. I forgot its name, but it was the trio ka jo. And these are very nice, like creating a pura character genre और वो सब establish करना. So yeah, this is like a pirate. हाँ. So this says my boss hates me, how to survive. That's for probably Gru reference. Oh, it's like a corporate. He's in corporate, but love the Ica style. Like the original designers, whoever like they just created that thing like to understand. And agar aap matlab you don't even need mouth to lot of times to tell stories. You know there is a mouth, but बहुत fainted mouth है like ऐसा. But you're with eyes, you and expressions you can tell. So it's like a corporate Kevin. This is corporate Kevin again with shades. ये ऐसा दिखता है. This this so this is I think Hawaii or beach or वैसा वाला types. So this how it looks. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is the 8th. This is the ace. So this is how it looks. Could have been a better detailing, I would say. So look amazing. This is mechanic Gru. I think this is G ka symbol, like a mechanic minion. So the kudos ki pure 16 cheezein. I know this is 3D printed and not like an official thing, but it's very good quality. It looks good like on a desk, like some like when you don't have a much space, so you can just have mini bites. It's like something to look at, like so many things to look at. So you don't have to be perfect, you just have to be too many of this. So this is how it looks, ye wala. And then I think that is, so this is Canon. Yes, this is like a Canon and that have a Gru ka symbol udhar. So this is how it looks. And let me just go through. This is again corporate, but the hairstyle is different. And it's like yes, boss or like I saw I Captain AVL. I forgot what it was. Mechanic minion with screwdriver. Like Barbie, they can like literally go unlimited, like with one eye, this. It could have been a Cyclops monster, but they made it so funny. Like, that's such a unique thing. Make them not hate you like Vesawala types. And this is like a caveman kind of a thing. Gru and not Gru, sorry, Minion. So this like a early man, and just nice. And this is like a guitar Hawaiian wale look pe aata hai. So the theme wise they are like splitted in terms of Vesawala. If I could find a correlation, so this like a early man kind of a thing. Oops. Yes, now it's so yeah. So all 16 has been completed. So let me just zoom it out a little bit about this. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So all 16 of them very good quality, definite buy. Link in the descriptions. Bye bye. Thanks.